This celebration was actually started 27 years ago from the community. The community came, the Martin Luther King Jr. Christian Church came to the community center and said, hey, we want to do a celebration for MLK Day. What are we going to do? And so this is the 27th year of the celebration, and it's driven by the community. We started this morning with a commemorative march that went from Southgate Community Center to the Reston Community Center. At the end of that march, we had members of the Al Fadi Academy do the excerpts from Martin Luther King Jr.'s I Have a Dream speech. We then went right into community service projects. Here at the Reston Community Center, we have Reston Interfaith making bag lunches for the Embry-Rucker Shelter. We have Laura Greenspan over here from The Closet, which is a nonprofit thrift store in Herndon. We have a community service awards that are being given to people who exemplify the teachings of Martin Luther King Jr. The last remaining part of today's celebration is we have artwork on the walls that have been done by the Hundred Woods Elementary School students. There's 4 different murals, really, that all the students worked on it together, and all the artwork is themed around the Civil Rights Movement or King's message.